What the f? Well, I'm in a bad position now. You're supposed to use both lanes until the middle. What the f has happened here? So you're splitting two lanes there, aren't you, mate? This lorry better let me in. I presume, being a professional driver, he knows about merge points. And zipper merging. The delivery group falls. You're right. Are you stuck in this traffic?
Yeah.
What the f***'s going on? Oh my god. Well, if you are where I think you are, outside of the wooden boardings down there behind the blue gypsum wagon.
That's all.
I am at the merge point in the right hand side with a lorry that I don't think wants to let me in. But
well, we're moving.
Oh right. It might be temporary light, so they might have been reversing something in.
Probably.
Yeah.
Because I was going to say, just in case if you would have thought you'd be behind me, no, just be careful of the roundabout going off.
Yeah, when I came out roundabout, lorry was in lane 1 on a red light. I thought, I'll just jump in lane 2, get ahead of him at merge point, and then I looked and I thought, oh shit, it's all clogged up. So let's see if this lorry's going to be an arse with me.
I'm sure he'll let you in.
I don't know. Well, he's letting me in, but he's not letting the insignia in behind me.
Solid back.
He's right up me chuff.
So I know they're building a roundabout. Is it just coming out of here or what?
I think it's
Yeah,
I think it's for because there's so much happening on the retail park now and being built. It's to access things in the future. This lorry is about a metre from my back bumper.
Well, it's got plenty of stopping distance.
He's bouncing up and down. Oh, I'm saving that. He's bouncing up and down. You're not tapping the throttle.
Yeah.
Right, I've got traffic in front of me, and he's being a gobshite. Do you hear him beeping then?
I am beeping, yeah.
He wants me to hurry up to go nowhere.
Have you gone through the lights?
No.
Got my other chin in.
It's not that. I mean, how stupid can you get? Right? I was just coasting, leaving a decent gap in front of me, about 2 car lengths.
Yeah.
And he's like, up my ass, up my ass, up my ass, bouncing up and down, tapping the accelerator, and then beeping me saying, come on, get going. Where the f am I going to go?
Oh, exactly.
I'm in 2 minds again now and having a word with the dickhead.
Great down here. Listen it down.
Yeah, it's just coming down now.
Yeah. I know.
Past 4 minutes past.
Well, I'm in now anyway. 1 o'clock I'll speak to you later.
Alright.
Bye. Ta-ra, mate.
Ta-ra, dude. Ta-ra.
Bye.
MX62 HKY. Is he going to go into one of these here?